Hi, my name is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits. This kit is used in the Audi and Volkswagen 5-speed ZF or ZF transmissions, specifically the ZF 5HP19 transmission, or also known in the Audi VW world as the 01V transmission. This kit includes 6 liters of the Revenol 5.4HP transmission fluid, a transmission filter, the transmission pan gasket, some necessary hardware, a fluid transfer pump, and some instructions. Revenol 5.4HP is a 100% fully synthetic transmission fluid made in Germany. This ATF is not a universal one-do-all ATF as typically seen in the industry today. Rather, Revenol 5.4HP is specifically designed and engineered for the ZF 5-speed transmissions, which is what your Audi or VW has in this specific application. Revenol 5.4HP meets the VW TL52162 transmission fluid specification, or also known as part number G052162A2. This is the only ATF specification that should be used in your Audi or VW 5-speed ZF transmission. If you don't specifically see that specification indicated on the bottle, it's not the proper transmission fluid for your transmission. When it comes to the filter and gasket, we have OEM German components that allow for the exact same fitment and function as the genuine components. Also, we have a fluid transfer pump, which can aid greatly in transferring the fluid into the transmissions. As well, we have a hardware kit here, which includes the fill plug and drain plug sealing O-rings, as well as some extra hardware in there for mounting the transmission pan. We also include step-by-step detailed instructions to guide you through the process of changing the transmission fluid and filter. These instructions contain the proper transmission fluid leveling sequences that are necessary for the Audi and Volkswagen 5-speed ZF transmissions. So that's an overview on our transmission fluid and filter change kit for the 5-speed ZF transmissions. If you have any questions on our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits, feel free to give us a call, or you can visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.